Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Might get a little rain today, but we're going to try to go ahead and knock out this Nova. You can see over here, carpet's done. Just got to get it back in the car, got to get the seats back in the car. It does need a brake light switch, which I think I'm going to go ahead and tackle while the seats are out of it. And then I just got to get the inner fender wells in. And they've been fighting me a little bit, but I think I'm going to get it. Alright, I just opened up the box I got from Classic Industries. These are for the duster. Oh, it's actually going to say Nova on the back of the deck lid. A little Chevy bow tie action. These plastic washers that we broke, put in the pedals. Alright, just cracked open the box to ground up. We got some weather stripping for the trunk. Oh, got a nice free catalog for the Nova. There's the brake light switch we need. That's for the fan shroud. The car doesn't have a fan shroud. Well, guess what? It does now. Oh, got a door kit. Oh, stickers. Oh, got a shifter ball. So the brake light switch we definitely need. White shifter ball. What is this? Oh, it's a two-piece jobby. Should have another one of these for the door locks. I do. What is this? The overflow tank. And then these are the mirrors. There's the gasket and the hardware. Wow. Very cool. This looks sit on the left-hand side. Something like that. Cool. So after longer than it should have been, there's the old brake light switch, and it fought me and fought me, but wouldn't be working on cars if it didn't. The little plunger sticks, no good, causing that brake light to stay on, killing the battery. Here's the new one. Process is exactly the same. So right here, this is going to connect into the connector. You're going to unscrew this right here, and then it's basically going to go in. I don't know if I can get a shot of it. I'll try. Alright, we got the carpet in the car. I am going to get it all cleaned up so I can get the seats back in. Did get the brake light switch done. So we're making progress. We're, in my opinion, still a long ways. But we're going to get it.
moments later.
Knocked you over. Found a random lighter.